In this video today, I'm going to create a tutorial and a demonstration of Crypto++. Now, to give you some background here, Crypto++ is, effectively speaking, a massive library of different ciphers that you can use to encrypt, decrypt, and so on and so forth. It's, effectively speaking, a massive collection of very high-performance ciphers that, generally speaking, work a lot faster than, the ciphers on, say, Lua, Java, or maybe even in some cases faster than C#. Now, the thing is here with, Crypto++, compiling it can for some people be just a tad bit tricky, and I've decided in this video today to provide you with an actual demonstration on how to do this here. Now, I'm going to be using the VS 2012 CrossTools compiler, the X64 edition, and I'm going to be using VS 2012 as well in this particular project. Now, what we have at the more or less the root of our project is a file that makes use of several different headers that are included under Crypto++. Now, I've gone ahead and created a set of functions that basically here accept a string, which is of course the ciphertext or the data, one that accepts the key, and one that more or less outputs the ciphertext. You guys can read and play around with this code when I release it online later on if you like. That's sort of up to you, but that's not what we're going to be talking about at the moment. Now, of course, with encryption, we want to protect a secret, so we have one here. So in order to compile Crypto++, you will first of all need to, of course, generate a library file so that you can link it to, link it behind your actual project that you're working on. Now, the reason why, C++ uses library files is because sometimes, you can't just link a header file and expect that it will work. You sometimes need to, of course, link object files to the project and all that so that you can more or less just play around. You can actually use the functions. Oh shit, don't want to do that. Anyways, guys, what we're going to do is we're going to go to cryptlib, we're going to go project only, and we're going to build the cryptlib file only. We don't want to build everything else or else we're going to be here all day. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to X64 and we're just going to wait for this to compile. Generally speaking here, it's going to take you a couple minutes. It really just depends on how powerful your computer is and what compiler you're using. In this project, I'm only really going to be using the VS 2012 compiler as it's the one that's just simply works best for me. Now, what we have here is the cryptlib. Now, this is the file that has all of the object files in it. So if you link this to your project, you can use any cipher in Crypto++. It could be 2FISH, 3FISH, it could be RSA. Doesn't matter. If you have this file linked to your project, you can use any bloody cipher you like, no problems. So we're going to copy and we're going to paste it here. So that's basically all you need to do to compile Crypto++. You just get the library file, you dump it right where you have your main file, and then you just compile the thing and then you're done. And there you have it. You have an executable file which you can use then to encrypt and decrypt stuff. I'll give you a quick demonstration. Excuse the profanity that this executable has in it. Now we have our secret, so we protect our secret by selecting the encryption mode. We enter our key, enter the key again to make sure it's right, enter the file name, which is wrong, which we'll restart the program for. Excuse me on that one. So we do 0, we enter our key, we enter the key again, we enter the file name, and the file name again. And then what we have is an encrypted file. We can again decrypt the file with Crypto++. We enter our key, we enter the key again, and then we enter the name and the name again. That right there is a demonstration of one of many ciphers that is a part of Crypto++, which is the AES cipher that has, it's more or less the cipher that a lot of intelligence agencies use to protect data. Anyways, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and that it can be helpful to you, and if you have questions or comments, then feel free to put them below. But this is basically just how you can use, Crypto++, how to build it, and, it's just basically how you can use quite a very powerful library that you can do a lot of things with. It was enough for the crap, guys. That's all. See ya, and have a good day.